Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I'm going to be taking you to the Kies Motorsports 2022 Auto Show this year here in Atlantic City, New Jersey. But on the way, I wanted to stop by, and if you're a fan of Bryan and the brand, to show their original shop and the very first location they ever had their auto show in the parking lot back here. It was on the way to the show, and I wanted to make sure that you saw it so you can see the big difference in not only how it's grown, but how the fan base has grown as well. This is going to be a great show, and I can't wait to take you to it. All right, guys, so here at the Kies Motorsports Auto Show 2022. Couldn't be more excited here at Baderfield. It's 10 o'clock, the gates are open. There are already a ton of people piling in. There were people getting here at like 8 o'clock. It's incredible. This is gonna be a great day with hundreds of cars all for a great cause and charity. I wanna take you around the show with me. This is gonna be fun. All right, guys, here with Tommy L Garage. What do you think, buddy?
So far, so good. I mean, everyone's setting up, and I mean, it looks like it's going to be a great show. The only thing is I hope the weather holds up. We're supposed to get some rain by 2 o'clock, but I think it should be fun. Yeah,
should be a great show today. It should be even bigger than last year. Definitely want to show you everything about all the people and all the cars, but you know what? People are more important. If you guys haven't checked out Tommy L Garage and his YouTube channel, make sure to do so, even though he brought a Porsche to the show.
That's why I'm staying here on the side.
All right, guys, so make sure to check out the show, check out Tommy's channel, and I'll show you more of the shows as we go on. Yes.
Horchata!
Yeah.
Do your cheeks hurt from smiling so much?
Not yet. All right, guys, some more of the show here really quick. Hey.
What's going on, everybody?
It's James. What do you think, bud?
Man, it's a crazy show, man.
Yeah, it's so much bigger.
Y'all definitely cannot miss this show. Whenever he's doing it, do not miss it. You don't want to miss it. It's epic. A lot of people, a lot of BMWs.
Great show, great people, great time. More walking around, more people to see.
Also a good cause, too.
Yeah, and if you guys have not checked out James's channel, shout it out, man. What is it?
So, What's Your Forte is a channel, just like the shirt. Definitely go check it out. Do a lot of BMW content. Definitely, if y'all watching this, y'all not subscribed, y'all doing yourself a disservice.
Thanks, man. Make sure to check out his car. He's got a gorgeous G80. It is amazing. All right, guys, more of the show. Back to it. Bryan. Woo. I know you.
I just saw a guy with that shirt on.
Yeah. Hey, almost all my shirts are gone, dude.
Really?
Yeah. All right, guys, so it's starting to wind down here. What a fantastic day today. There's so many awesome people, and here to support Bryan of Kies Motorsports. Great charities, great people. Might even have Justifies here over my shoulder. Bunch of YouTubers here today. Vendors, great companies like AWE, Mishimoto, Bimmertac, you name it. If you missed it, you missed it. Bit of a bummer. But next year, make sure to make next year. So 2023, come out here in Atlantic City, New Jersey, and the Kies Motorsports Show. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please click subscribe and the little alarm bell. Makes a huge difference to my channel. And I'll see you soon.